Hi, this is David of Inspect Canada. During our home inspection, we go around and we test all the outlets. Sometimes they don't work, sometimes they have damage, but once in a while, they don't have a cover on them. Not a massive big deal, but if you do have toddlers at home or if you have friends that will have toddlers at home, if they would touch any of the screws that's on the side there, this is fully energized, they'd be getting such a shock, they'll probably remember for the rest of their life. So it is a shock hazard, it is unsafe. So it should be fairly easy for anyone out there to fix this. So all you need really is a cover plate. I went to Home Depot, I bought this for about $2, and all you need is a screwdriver and put that in place. And now whoever's gonna come here, they won't be able to stick their fingers in there and shock themselves. So give me a sec, I'll open this up. It comes with 2 screws. They're already in place. I would suggest that you do not use a drill on that, because if you go a little too heavy on those screws, it's gonna snap the plate. So really there's a screw hole right on top here and one right at the bottom there, and we have these 2 screws right there. Set that in place and start screwing. And don't go over too crazy on it. When it's a little tight, stop it, because this is all plastic and it's gonna crack very easily. So this is one of the quickest do-it-yourself home renovation here. So, very often people will paint a place, the painter will remove them all and then they never put it back, and they'll stay like this for years. I did buy one cover, but you can buy them in packages. They cost absolutely nothing, and then you can just set them up yourself. It's very easy. As you could see, it didn't even take me a minute. So, and you really just need a screwdriver. So there's no excuses. If you do have cover plates missing here and there, just go to Home Depot, get a couple covers, and spend a good 5 minutes and have them all done so that they're safe. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Reach out to us directly. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to get a notification every time we set up a new video. All right, until next time, have a beautiful day.